Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm off up in the mountains here in southern Arizona. In a mess of rocks again. But try to find my way out of here. It's about time to head back toward the hacienda, so holy cow, what was that? Them rocks. So now I just gotta remember my way out of here because the map on this military base shows nothing. Ooh. Off camber on shale, it looks like that's what that rock is. Loose stuff. I just kind of let her roll. Don't hit the brakes if you don't have to, and let it roll on that stuff. Try to miss these big old rocks. What in the world? Tree limb. I don't remember that here when I came through. I must have knocked it down because I run into some brush. That's probably what it was. I don't know. Pretty sure I'm on the same one. This is some loose stuff. That's why it's best off just kind of keep the wheels rolling, because it's going to slide. It's steeper than it looks. A lot steeper than it looks. I know what cameras do. Mercy. Whew. Yeah. Made it past that part. Yeah, I mean, the GPS works. I wouldn't say it don't work because it gets signal that's working, but they don't show no tracks up here or routes at all up in here. So, I don't know what's all up in here. But I am going to record the track out of here anyway. That way I kind of know next time how I found this. You can see it there. It's drawn a little, looks like a red line on the map. And the next time, this one that ain't on the map, it will be. One thing about it, we're not short of any rocks up in here. Golly, none at all. Whew. So I think we're through the rough stuff now. I guess depends on what you call rough. What was rough to me anyway. So some of them I didn't go up because it was just too much. For being out here by yourself, taking the risk, it's just not, it ain't worth the risk. I got stand it. I thought I was through the rough. And getting injured out in here. Quite a ways out in the mountains. when I get out of here and get back to the paved road, I can save this track. Then I'll always have that. I got up in some pretty good canyons today. I actually didn't even go all the way through the base. That's what I was planning on. Wasn't planning on even riding on the base. Plans change. It's a new adventure. But it is what it is. This was my destiny for today. The destination. It's some beautiful country up in here. I never realized it on this base. I know it's the mountains, but on this side of the mountains is beautiful. It is on the other side too. On the government land on the other side. That's the Coronado National Forest over there. And then most of this side of the mountain is Fort Huachuca Military Base. I'm just bouncing around rocks everywhere now. Pay no mind to me. Still don't see no roads on the map, and down here in a little while I will, because I come in on one that was on the map and then it just disappeared. So there's obviously a lot more out here than I knew of, and this is just what I went on today is just a small part. It's really minute compared to what's out here. See there, I can buy that, yeah. I know I'm on the right track now. So to come on the military base, of course, you can't just come on it unless you have a military pass or military ID. So I got a military pass, and you show it when you come in, but you don't have to show it when you go out. Actually, I think I came from that way. I think I did. But we'll go this way. Oh well. See where it goes on the way out. There's another one there. You just have to be mindful of the signs when they tell you not to go on it. I wouldn't want to go on it. And you can't take your gun, so I didn't bring my 9mm today, of course. I ain't brave enough to take that chance if they say no guns. And you've got to wear gloves, long sleeve, pants, boots or shoes, helmet with a shield or goggles. You got to be fully protected to come on the base. Okay, we are coming out here somewhere. Common task testing. I don't know where that road back that way goes. I don't think. That may be the road, yeah. Okay, yeah. I'm on the road now. Let me pull over here so I can name this track before I go too far. I'll just name it Trails on here for now. Now I have the track saved. Okay, we can get out of there now. Back on the tarmac. So it wasn't too bad. This MSR gear, Legend gear, man, I'm telling you, this stuff is ventilated. It feels so good. I won't be wearing my motocross gear hardly ever anymore. Maybe in the winter. But this stuff is nice. We are exiting the base. Back on civilian land. So guys, I'm going to get off here in this video. Appreciate all you watching. God bless you all. Check out my links below if you want to help support the channel, because it makes a big difference to my Amazon store and to my Rocky Mountain ATV MC affiliate link there. But I don't make a lot of them, but I make a little bit, and it sure helps me out. So God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on. Hey guys, just want to let you know, if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.